Hello everyone, it's Ellen here and I hope you're having a good day. Here, we will see how to use the threshold effect on any image in Photoshop and all in less than 3 minutes. First, I crop my photo to remove the grey background and I rasterize the layer if I haven't already done so. Then, I go to the layer option and scroll down until I see the threshold option. On the left, you'll notice that the image gradually disappears, while on the right it appears as full. To have a good balance, I want to make a mix of the two so that the image remains recognizable without being too loaded with details. We will go to Filter, Noise, and then Add Noise. We see here that adding noise gives us more detail, but if our value is too high, we can have a bad photocopy effect. The value depends on your image, here I put it at around 14 to have more details. Next, I add my threshold layer to reveal the original image, and we'll see how to give it more depth. I go to Selection, then Color Range to select the shadows. I check what level of detail I want and then I hit OK. Once I have my selection OK, I fill it with black and we see that my shadows are much more visible. Thus, the darkest place are less detailed than before and does not longer overload the image. And now I'm going to show you how to add more details. We find this effect in a lot of streetwear brands and often they don't stop there for their design. I import a halftone image that we will use as an overlay and I pass it over my image using a clipping mask. I lower its opacity to give it a more subtle effect and then you have it. We find a somewhat nice effect in the shadows of our image. You can then change the color of the image depending on what you want, and now you know how to give a threshold effect to your image.